guys, my name is Natalia, and last week you all wanted another card. So today I'm gonna show you this jiggly or wiggly kind of card, which has these shaking or moving elements. It's a really fun card to create and decorate, and it really fits with any occasion. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting in the card above. And let's begin. Here's what you need to create this jiggly card. To start out this project, you can take some decorative piece of origami paper and then just glue it onto the base of the card to, just spice it up a bit. Now I created almost all of the pieces for this card because I couldn't find stickers that really matched with the theme that I was going for. I did, however, find one though. But it's totally up to you if you want to create every piece for this card or use stickers or stamps. Now glue all of the non-movable pieces onto the card, so you're creating this scenario. And to create the movable pieces, we need to create some strips. So take the regular piece of paper and then measure out 1/2 centimeter, then make a mark, and then measure downwards 12 centimeters and then create a line. And then create as many of these strips as you need for the movable pieces. And cut them out. It's difficult to show the folding technique with the smaller strips, so I'm using a big one as an example. So take a strip and then just kind of fold it in half, then take the part that's on top and then just bend it upwards. Then press down on the fold to create this angle. Then take the folded part and then just bend it backwards so it's pointing downwards. Then turn it, and then the strip that's pointing up, bend that backwards so it's pointing downwards. And then continue this process until you reach the end of the paper. Then you should have created this folded streamer or musetrappe, which means mouse stairs in Danish. Put some glue on the ends of the strips and then fold it and glue it down onto itself. You need to repeat the same folding process with the smaller strips to create a smaller mouse stairs. So fold as many of these mouse stairs as you need, and remember to put some glue on the ends so it doesn't unravel. When you have all of the mouse stairs or folded streamers ready to go, we need to attach them onto the moving pieces. So put some glue on one end of the mouse stairs and then attach it onto the back of the moving piece. And press down to make it stick properly. Then put some glue on the other end of the mouse stairs and then attach it onto the card. And again, press down to make it stick properly. And if you have any more moving pieces, attach the rest of them. A trick here to make them wiggle more is to stretch the stairs. The more stretched out they are, the more they wiggle. This card fits any theme and any occasion, so just let your imagination loose and get creative. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more inspiration, check out these DIYs here, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!